What's up, YouTube world? So I was looking for a good video on how to do the latch on the C7. I couldn't find one. I found a few on the C6. Relatively easy process, and I thought I'd make a quick overview. I did it yesterday, but I didn't film it like an idiot. So hopefully this video will help you, and if you have any other questions while you're doing it, just shoot me a message, no biggie. So really this is about 3 parts total. It took me about 15 minutes to do, just going for it, kind of shot in the dark, and I figured it out pretty easily. And there's 3 main components to this guy. So you got your little pull latch back here, which I've had to use for last week like an idiot. And then the only tool you're going to need in the back latch here is for this little guy right there. That little guy's going to pop off, and there's your T30 torque. Take that little guy out. The rest of this, just pop, 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 right off. And you'll see this little guy on a cable, and there's one clip about right here. It's gonna pop off with some pliers and it'll come right out. And then that's about it for the back, if I'm not mistaken. Now up here in the front, you got 2 torques right here, same bit size, T30. Again, this plastic right here, just pop, 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 all the way down across your ledge right here. All this is gonna pop right off, and just kind of move it, tuck it out of the way. And then down here, this little guy, again, there's 2 more torque screws here and here, the little covers on them. Those come right off. And it took a little bit of torque really to get these damn things out, but they'll come. And then you just feed this lever up to the carpet, and I believe there's about 2 or 3 little clips that secure it in place, and then that guy will come right out as well. Now, behind this guy too, there's a pigtail, and super easy to get off, and I'll show you what I mean. This guy right here, there's a little purple latch. You just kind of pull it to the side, and it slides right off. And also, you're probably asking, why don't you just take it to the dealer? It's almost a new car, just get it replaced. True, and I was going to do that. But after looking at my warranty information, I have a $100 deductible, and I was able to find not only one but both sides of the little latches used for like 80 bucks. So now I have another one just in case. I save time and money. So, and as these cars get relatively older, they're going to start breaking, not breaking down, but little boogers here and there are going to start happening. So this is the first one I've encountered in over a year. Hopefully it's not a trend.